Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my very realistic university morning routine with you. Good morning. I normally wake up about 8:30 in the morning, and the first thing I do, because my room is absolutely full of them, is turn on all of my fairy lights. When I finally drag myself out of bed, I go and open the curtains and see what's going on outside. If you were expecting a super productive morning routine where I'm up at 5 a.m, writing my journal, going to the gym, then I'm afraid you're in the wrong place. Like so many people, I am normally absolutely shattered from sitting on my laptop all day, every day at the moment, so I appreciate getting lots and lots of sleep. I started to make my bed before realising there was no point because I was about to get straight back into it. Every morning, I start off by sitting on my laptop in bed, just going through any emails and trying to establish what work I have to do that day. I trapped my finger when opening my laptop today and it really hurt. Look how cute this is. This is from an account called Visit London, which I follow. They actually post lots of nice photographic pictures of London. Photographic? Photogenic. No, still not right. Anyway, they post lots of lovely photos of London and it kind of gives me info on where I want to go and visit and what photos I want to take in London. But at the moment, obviously, I'm not there, which is kind of sad. But it's just a really nice account. So if anyone's interested in nice pictures of London, follow this account. Anyway, that is a complete sidetrack because I'm on here to reply to all of my messages. So that is what I'm going to do now. Today I had a range of messages to reply to. Some of them were about applying to LSE, some about applying to Dutch universities, and the others were just funny videos from my friends. Also, I had no idea how grumpy I look all the time till I was editing this video together, so I'm really sorry about that, but I guess my excuse is it was still quite early in the morning when I was filming this. So I finished going through my Instagram DMs. I'm now going to move over to YouTube, but I think I only have a couple of comments. That's not going to take me long. And then I've decided I'm actually going to start my uni work from bed today. I sometimes do it from bed and sometimes I'm like, no, Imogen, you need to get up. But on a Thursday, I don't actually have any classes until 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I'm filming this on a Thursday. Yes, I know, very lastminute.com. I was going to film on a Wednesday, but I actually have a really busy morning and it takes me a little while to film, so I didn't really have time. Anyway, that is a very boring story, which you did not need to hear. I have a few more readings for this week. I'm quite on top of the work for this week. There's a few more readings for the class, but we just have an excessive amount this week. And one of my friends has sent me over her notes, which make perfect sense to me. So I think I might just stop there. And then if I ever need to do an essay, because obviously all of our exams are going to be online, I can look back and find the specific reading I need anyway. I don't know why I am telling you all about my reading when this morning I'm going to be watching a lecture anyway. So I finished replying to my YouTube comments and surprise, surprise, I ended up on Amazon. I got a bit distracted looking at fake plants in my room, but we're back. We're ready to watch the lecture video. I'm going to start it in bed and then I'll move to my desk in a bit. It's actually 10 to 10, which is super late for me to be starting work, but I actually have really early starts on a Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, or I start working quite early. So I tend to let myself have Thursday off a little bit. Unfortunately, the way that my lecture has uploaded this means I can't put it on double speed, which is a bit of a shame. So it's probably going to take me all 45 minutes to do this. But I am all ready to go with these notes.
And an example of a new scarcity question is the impact that global fishing has on coral reef. I'll show you the math. What we're doing is a develop multiply r with 1 minus r times nt over k.
It is now 10 o'clock, which means I've been lying in bed for about an hour and a half, so it's time to get up. I'm going to go and have a shower. I need to tidy up my room a little bit first of all, but then I'm going to hop in the shower and then probably move to my desk and do a bit more work. So you know that I drew those hearts on the mirror last week. You can still kind of see them, so I probably wasn't meant to do that. Oopsie. So ignore the towel on my head, but we're about to take that off. I'm about to get ready. But this is my outfit of the day. So we just got this red top. I don't actually know where this came from. I think it came from a shop in Germany, so I don't know which one. And then my Gymshark leggings and some socks. I do actually also have a hoodie to put on, but it's actually quite warm at the moment. In terms of makeup, I don't wear any makeup for university. I used to wear it when we used to go onto campus, but when it's sitting in my bedroom at home, I'm just like, I can't be bothered every single day with this. At the moment, I'm just putting this like hair oil on. I don't know, this is like Pantene hair oil. After having a shower, my skin is quite dry, so I'm just gonna use this simple like hydrating moisturizer. I don't really know. You can tell I'm not a beauty guru, but I'm just gonna put some of this on my face. I'm gonna plait my hair, I think, today because I haven't had plaits in ages and it just gets it out of my face. After I plaited my hair, I put my hoodie on because it had got a bit chilly, and I continued to watch the lecture video that I'd started that morning. I've got through the second part of my lecture video, but it's a lot more complicated than I thought it was going to be, because we're learning about the economic sides of fisheries today and like learning about the equations and stuff. So it's bringing back some of my A-level maths, which I haven't done for 2 years. So I'm having to really like think about it. But it is currently like 11:30, so I'm gonna go downstairs and get myself something to eat because I'm starving. This is very late for me to be having breakfast. Normally I have it about 11 o'clock, but we're gonna have it now. Also, job update, I got an email last night which is from the onboarding team in my local area for my NHS job to vaccinate people, and they want me to fill out another form. So I think this week I filled out 3 forms, maybe 4 forms, and now we're doing another one, but hopefully we're getting closer and closer to actually having a job. They're now asking about shift patterns, which is very exciting. It sounds like we're nearly there. My mum is a primary school teacher and she teaches in the lounge because she doesn't have a room. So every morning when I come down, I can hear her singing. There she is. Look at her. She's reading them a story. It's so cute. Whilst eating my peanut butter, I just filled out some more NHS forms so that I could get those sent off. I FaceTimed my friend Emma because we had this Excel spreadsheet that was due for the class that afternoon, and honestly it didn't make any sense to me or to her, so we were trying to figure it out together. But I think essentially what we're arguing is weak sustainability versus strong sustainability. Okay, I'll speak to you later. Yeah. Bye. And I finally finished that lecture video, which I've been watching all morning, just in time for the class at 1 o'clock.
Any monitoring activity will incur additional costs. When you set up a regulation,
it is currently 12:30. I've just finished that lecture video, which I guess means that our morning routine ends here. I'm about to go and have some lunch, so I don't really feel like I can continue this video. I don't have an elaborate morning routine that involves going on walks at 5 o'clock in the morning or doing workouts as soon as I wake up. Realistically, if I've got a class or something, I'm normally rushing out of bed 10 minutes before to go and get ready. Or like today, if I've got a chilled morning, I generally tend to take that because we don't have many of those in the week. I really hope you have enjoyed this video. As ever, if you have, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel down below. For now though, I hope you are doing well, and I will see you next time with a new video. Bye!